Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel once again. This is Abhishek, your friend but not a financial advisor, and today we are going to talk about a high growth stock from the solar energy sector or the renewable energy sector. And in my opinion, this could be one of those high growth stocks for 2021, especially also because of Biden's plan for a clean energy revolution. But anyways, that's just my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just for entertainment purposes and to bring this particular company up to your attention so that you guys can do your own due diligence. So now let's just jump on to the main content. Okay guys, so the stock which we are going to talk about today is Sunnova Energy, trading with the ticker symbol NOVA at the New York Stock Exchange, and at the time of making this video today, it's trading at $30.58, which is up by 1.36% from the previous trading day. Now if you look at the 52-week range, the lowest 52 weeks is at $13.85 and the highest was $57.7. And if we look at the 6-month chart, we can see that the stock has a pretty hit hard, and now it's trading at $30.58, and that's the reason why I am bringing up this stock up to your attention. So guys, Sunnova is a company which is actually involved in residential energy production systems. Now this area is a truly consumer oriented niche within this renewable energy industry, which is usually tending towards the large development, and Sunnova develops and markets solar energy systems designed for home installation and use. So the customers can choose from a variety of products and services, including roof solar panel installations and energy storage batteries as well, to create a grid independent power system in their home. Sunnova operates in 26 states, mainly in Southwest and Northeast, but also in Florida and the Carolinas. The company boasts over 116,000 customers until now and more than 500 dealers and sub-dealers of its products. Now guys, Nova has actually managed to achieve a remarkable rapid growth with their forecasted 2021 installation volume, which almost doubled the 2020 installation volume and actually was 3 times the 2019 installation volume. Now they are also heading towards a high growth year, which would be 2022, where they are expecting to grow with a 40% year-over-year growth rate. Now they also believe that one factor behind Nova's success is actually the company's dealer-based model, where the company does not generate its own subscribers but rather works with its network of dealers. Now there could be some compromises in such type of model, like what dealers have to be paid, but in the end the payoff has been a rapid growth. And guys, why I think that Sunnova can definitely exceed their forecasted revenue growth and forecasted sales, because despite of lower demand, solar installations already set a record in 2020, and they're expected to see more records in 2021 despite facing challenges, and that's a good opportunity for such renewable sources of energy companies in the solar sector. And to support the previous commitment would be Biden's commitment to slash US emissions in half by 2030. So Joe Biden pledges to reduce US greenhouse gas emissions by 50% until 2030. And this is a massive catalyst for such companies, or a massive growth potential for such companies to get more and more government projects. Okay guys, so now let's have a quick look at some key ratios. So price to sales ratio is sitting at 19.92 with the current market cap, and price to book value is sitting at 4. It is not that great. I personally would like when it would be below 1, but these are some ratios which are actually, in my opinion, are quite moderate, not that bad either. And price to earnings is of course a negative because they are not yet profitable, so they have to work a lot on their margin. So as we can see right here, so profit margin is minus 124% and operating margin is minus 22.6%. I'm not digging deeper into this company, guys. This is just a short video to give you guys an outlook so that you can do your own research. I will be giving out such short videos from time to time, not to make videos longer than 8 minutes or so, and yeah, this is one of them. So now let's move on. Okay, so guys, with that small introduction about the company, now let's jump quickly into the technical side of the stock. And here we have the Fibonacci retracement patterns, and we can see that this is right a really good support. If the price comes to this level, I would just jump into the stock without thinking of anything else, no second thoughts, to be honest. But again, we do have another opportunity at this support level right here, which is the 78% at $31.06, and this could be a really good buying opportunity for Sunnova. Now guys, I do think that this company does have a huge potential, at least to curl back up until these $50 range, or at least till this golden range, which is between let's say $36 till $44 or something like that. So we do have a minimum of 20 to 40% upside potential. But in the really good scenario, and with this growth rate, I think we do have a potential of 80 to 90% easy on this stock. And this is just my opinion, guys. Just to repeat that I'm not any kind of a financial advisor. This is just my pick on this particular company, and this is just my personal opinion. Again, please do your own due diligence, because it's your hard-earned money and you have to think about it and invest carefully. So anyways, so this would be a really good pick for me, still at $31.06. And to see the resistance side for the stock, where the price actually hits a resistance and cannot break, is at $33. So that's not a really bad resistance, but it is heading towards this resistance. As we can see that it did go there and then it curled back to a support level, and we can already see that this resistance right here at $42 is quite a heavy resistance, where the stock actually returned 3 times. This resistance was tested 3 times, as we can see, at this position, and this position right here. And we can also see that this resistance right here at $38 would be a good resistance to break, but this would be the most important resistance in my opinion, which is at $41.98. This would be the resistance which, if broken, I think then it can definitely reach $52. So this is my take on this stock, guys, and this is just my opinion. Please, again, don't just jump into this company without thinking and without doing your own due diligence. And guys, another thing which I would like to point out is these huge green buying spikes. So we can see that here the buying pressure was amazing. Okay, now we did see some red candles, but we can see that the price actually consolidated. Yeah, it made this new own support level, and the price consolidated, didn't go below this level, and then we did have a good buying pressure, and we see that the price is going back up. So like I said, this would be resistance which I would be looking in for $30 and $33, and at $30 I do think that this is a really good stock to buy in. But again, that's just my personal opinion. But of course, I would not enter at $30 with all my position. I would be investing, let's say, 60% of my target amount, and then I would be waiting until the $26 support level is reached, and then I will be putting rest of my 40%. So that is all, guys. That is for Sunnova Energy, and I wanted to keep this video short. I would be giving out such small videos as well from time to time, not to make it much longer than 7 minutes or 8 minutes. So this is one of them. Enjoy it, and yes, do your own due diligence. This was just to bring up a really good company, in my opinion, up to your attention. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. Enjoy your favorite drink. Yeah, served cold would be much better. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and ciao.